In Osun State, stakeholders are advocating for the full implementation of the Violence Against Persons Prohibition law. If this is done, they believe it will put an end to gender-based violence in Osun State. Rafiu Hamid reports.
The Violence Against Persons Prohibition law was passed by the State House of Assembly and signed into law on the 11th of October last year. The law, which seeks to address issues of domestic violence and guarantee better and healthy living for the people of Osun, has not been taken advantage of as expected. This brings about this event with representatives from international partners, ministries of justice and women affairs, non-governmental organizations, security operatives, media, among others. They identified the need for more sensitization on the existence of the law in the states.
Implementation is 10%, awareness is low, duty bearers, stakeholders are not aware, and what you don't know, you cannot take advantage of.
We discovered that most of the time such laws exist, but the poor awareness of the law, the lack of implementation of the law is the reason why some of the negative trend and experiences of people are perpetuated in our.
The participants called for establishment of sexual assault referral center to take care of victims, as well as establishment of special courts to try sex offenders.
Establish it in already existing hospitals, so you don't need to pay a special doctor. So if a survivor runs to the hospital, so the doctor on duty can do that. So
you can approach the registrar of the court directly. Even an illiterate can approach the registrar of the court, and he or she is duty bound by law to reduce the complaint into writing.
They also advocated creation of one-stop shop where victims of gender-based violence will access legal, health, and counseling services.
There is need for us to sensitize the public to see how we can begin to get this law to be of use to the people.
Other solutions identified towards putting an end to GBV include collaboration among state actors, media advocacy, training and awareness for stakeholders, including traditional and religious leaders, among others. Rafiu Hamid, TVC News, Osogbo.